Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow to power a membership app, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Webflow to power a membership app, start by logging into your Webflow account. Create a new project or select an existing project where you want to implement the membership functionality. Navigate to the CMS section in the Webflow Designer. Create a new collection for your memberships by clicking on Add Collection. Name the collection members or something similar to clearly identify its purpose. Add necessary fields to the members collection, such as name, email, membership level, and any other pertinent information. After setting up the fields, click on the Create button to finalize your collection. Go back to the Designer view and set up a new page for user profiles or a dashboard. Use a layout that suits your design requirements, like a grid or list format. Next, add a collection list element to the page to display the members' data. Connect the collection list to the members' collection you created earlier. This will allow you to dynamically display member information on the page. Customize the design of the collection list items to match the aesthetic of your website. Now, head to the Settings tab in your project dashboard. Integrate a third-party authentication tool, such as MembersTac or Outsita, for user registration and login capabilities. Follow the integration instructions provided by the chosen tool to connect it with your Webflow site. After integrating the authentication tool, create a new sign-up page for users to register. Use form fields that align with your members' collection fields to ensure data consistency. Next, create login and logout functionalities using the authentication tool's features. Set up access controls within the authentication tool to manage what content members can see and engage with. Return to the Webflow Designer and ensure that your pages are designed to accommodate dynamic content, which will adapt depending on user roles and levels. Test the registration and login processes to confirm that everything is working smoothly. Once verified, create a members-only dashboard page that will automatically populate with information from your members' collection. Incorporate dynamic content to display personalized greetings and membership details based on the logged-in user. Finally, publish your site to go live with your membership app configuration. Conduct thorough testing to ensure the membership functionalities operate correctly for different user roles. Monitor feedback and make adjustments as necessary for an optimized user experience. With these steps, you should successfully have Webflow configured to power a robust membership app. This will allow you to effectively manage members and provide them with exclusive content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.